Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. Are you struggling to organize your YouTube videos or want to increase your watch time on your channel? If so, well done. Today I'm going to show you how to create YouTube playlist step by step and explain why it is super important for your channel's growth. So please try to stick around till the end of my video. Before we directly dive in, let me remember you to make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and turn on all notifications so that you don't miss out on the future YouTube growth tips from my channel. Also, let me know in the comments below that my friends, if you have ever used playlists on your channel before. In the first section, we are going to see what a YouTube playlist is. A YouTube playlist is a collection of videos that plays in a specific order, just like a music playlist. As you know, it helps us to organize similar videos into a structured list, making it easier for viewers to find and watch related content from your channel. So playlists can be public, they can be private, or can be unlisted, so that you have a control over who can see your videos. In the second section, we are going to see why playlists are important for YouTubers. Did you know, my friends, playlists work great for branding and content series? That means if you upload content in a series format, playlists can make it easier for your viewers to binge watch. So beyond that, here are some of the importances that can be provided by making and or creating playlists on your channel. The first one is it increases watch time and session duration on your channel. So far, when videos are grouped in a playlist, the next one plays automatically, so keeping viewers on your channel longer. This boosts your overall watch time, which is very important for your channel's monetization. The second one is YouTube playlist enhances your viewers' experience. In doing so, viewers can easily binge watch related videos without searching your videos manually. That improves your users' engagement on your channel. The third one is better YouTube search engine optimization and discoverability for your videos. So well-optimized playlists can appear in search results and just like individual videos. So this helps your content reach to a wider audiences worldwide. The fourth importance of creating YouTube playlist is more organized and professional channel. Having neatly arranged playlists make you and your channel look more structured, attracting more subscribers. To do so, you are expected to create your videos playlist, collecting your videos in a single playlist. The other one is creating playlist improves your click-through rate, CTR, your click-through rate. So if a video in your playlist ranks well, users may click on your playlist instead of your single videos. This will automatically increase your overall views. That's it, my friends. The third section we are going to see is how to create YouTube playlist. We are going to see step by step. To do so, please stick on it and follow me, my friends. Let's go. The first step in creating your YouTube video playlist is going to YouTube and opening your YouTube studio. Let's go. Please open your browser. Open your browser and just type youtube.com. www.youtube.com. In creating YouTube, in searching youtube.com, you are expected to sign in to your YouTube channel. Sign in to your YouTube channel. By doing so, please just go to the right top corner of your screen. If you are using a personal computer, just click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Click here and select YouTube Studio. Go to YouTube Studio, or you can directly go to YouTube Studio just searching YT Studio on your browser. Then in this way, you do have two major options to dive into your playlist. The first one is directly heading to the content, and then moving to the playlist option. Move to the left side and click on the playlist. You do have playlists here if you previously created, and you can also create a new one. The second option is directly diving to the top right corner, that is directly behind your profile picture. You will see create button. Just clicking on the create button, you do have upload videos, go live, create post, new playlist, and new podcast options. Here in this case, you are going to create a new playlist, so you have to click on new playlist, create new playlist. Then this option will automatically come to your screen. So you have to create your playlist. To do so, please give a title. Say, for example, how to create playlist. I just give this a title. The second option is giving description for your playlist. Say, for example, my title is how to create playlist. So I have to describe this step by step process of creating playlist. If you do have much more steps, more than 2 or 3 steps, that means videos to show a step-by-step process of creating your channel's playlist. And then you have to adjust the privacy setting. The first one is the visibility. You do have 3 options: public, private, or unlisted. You have to decide what to make about the visibility of your videos. I prefer to choose public, and also you are also expected to arrange the default video order, and then finally you are expected to choose the existing video to add to your playlist. Let me add some videos to my playlist. Yeah, you can add multiple videos, then click on done. Then finally you are expected to hit on the create button just here. Then finally you can save and share your playlist. These are the videos I just add to my new playlist. That's all. But let me remember you some professional tips for your playlists, my friends. The first one is you are expected to use keywords rich title and description for your playlist. For example, instead of giving a title for your playlist as my video, new video, or just some other titles, you are expected to use keyword rich titles like that. Or for example, best YouTube growth tips for beginners, or say for example, YouTube related videos. You can do some other titles. You can give some other titles that are keyword rich, that can attract your viewers. The second one is arrange your videos strategically. That means place the best performing videos at the beginning to hook your viewers, my friends. You have to attract your viewers. The third one is cross promotes in video description and in the screens. So always link your playlist in descriptions and use in the screens to recommend your viewers. The other thing to consider for you is use playlists in YouTube shorts and community posts. If you create shorts, link your playlists in the pinned comments or use the community tab to promote it. And then you are also expected to leverage your playlist in YouTube ads, which is perhaps optional. If you are running ads, link your best performing playlists instead of a single video to boost your engagement. And that's, my friends, that's it. Now you know how to create YouTube playlist and why it is a game changer for your channel. So if you find this video very helpful, please don't forget to like, give me thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit all notification bell on so that you won't miss future tips from my channel. Please comment below if you have created a playlist before and how it has helped your channel, my friends. See you in the next video, and keep creating and growing your channel. And let me remember you once again that don't forget and don't hesitate to give me thumbs up to my video, leave a comment below my video, and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice time. Bye bye, my friends. See you again.